Hi, welcome to Pete's How-To Universe. This is lesson 2 in a series of lessons where I will be teaching you to turn your drawings into 3D printed keychains. In this lesson, I will discuss how to prepare your image file so that it's ready to load into the 3D CAD software. At the end of lesson 1, you had an image file that was a good photo of your drawing. You will now open this file with Image J. In the Image J software, you will be making your image blurry and reducing some of the detail in the image. This makes your image easier to handle by the 3D CAD software because it simplifies the image. Once your image is loaded into Image J, you will select Process, then Filters, then Gaussian Blur. Change the level of Gaussian blur from 2 to 8 and click OK. You will notice that your image gets more blurry. Now save your image as a JPEG file. You will now import your blurry image to Inkscape. Once your image is open in Inkscape, right-click the image to select Trace Bitmap. You can mess around with the settings until you get a good representation of your original drawing. You can then click the Trace Bitmap and slide it over, then select your original photo and delete it. Then you can go to the File menu and save the Trace Bitmap as an SVG file. Now that you have an SVG file, you are ready to move on to Lesson 3. The link to Lesson 3 is in the description.